here at Habitat for Humanity of Charlotte and the Charlotte ReStore. And today, along with Caitlin, we are going to teach you how to do a DIY, do-it-yourself chalkboard frame. So we're going to turn this picture frame that we picked up out of the Charlotte ReStore into a really cool chalkboard. As you can see, our supplies here, we picked up a primer, chalkboard paint. This is for the frame. You can paint it any color you want, do something special, and then just your basic supplies. Okay, so the first step is lay down your drop cloth, which you can see we've already done, and remove any artwork and glass from your picture frame. Be very careful because glass is sharp. We recommend gloves. I don't have any on. Mistake. Once you have your glass removed, just be sure to clean it. You can use rubbing alcohol or any glass cleaner that you find at the grocery store. So we have our glass separated and our frame here. The next step will be to prime your glass and your frame with primer. You can find this at any local home improvement store. It'll take about 20 to 30 minutes to dry. So just, spray paint usually dries a little faster. So just test it to see if it's sticky to make sure it's all dry. So now that our primer is dry, we're going to focus on decorating the frame. You can use anything you want. You can glue marbles on this. You can paint it any way you want. Gold, colors, go for it. This is your time to shine. Get creative. So now that our primer on the glass is dry, we've poured our chalk paint here in the tray. You really are not going to need a whole lot, so just go with little bits at a time. Now, as I mentioned earlier, you could use several different types of brushes. We have bristle brushes, foam brushes, and this roller. For today's project, we're going to use this roller. So now that we've covered the glass with our first coat of chalkboard paint, we're going to let it dry for, it could be up to an hour. It just depends on your conditions outside. Now keep in mind, when you first put the first coat on, it's going to appear thin and like it's not covering well. But once it dries, it'll fill in a little more. You should only need 2 coats. So put it on and then wait for it to dry and then put another one on, and it's going to be amazing how smooth it will look. So now our second coat is on and dry, and it's smoothed out a lot. There's a little texture in chalkboard paint, which you want because that's what helps hold the chalk onto the board. So you'll see some little bumps on there, but that's okay, that's normal. So the only thing left to do is for us to secure our glass back into the frame. Some are clips, some are glued, some are nails. So however you purchase the frame, that's how you'll fasten the glass back in. So this is our before and after. This is what we got at the ReStore, Charlotte ReStore, and this is after. And there you have it. It's all fastened in, put together, and you have a great little art piece to put in your dorm. Now remember, follow us on Instagram at Charlotte ReStore and tag us, #CLT ReStore DIY, and show us your projects. We can't wait to see them. See you soon.